Flower Mound, Texas, is known for its vibrant communities and beautiful landscapes, and what better way to showcase the natural beauty of your backyard than with stunning outdoor lighting. Whether you're hosting a family gathering, enjoying a quiet evening, or looking to enhance your home's curb appeal, outdoor lighting has the power to transform your backyard into a nighttime paradise. In this article, we'll explore how Flower Mound Outdoor Lighting can elevate your outdoor space, making it more functional, inviting, and visually striking after the sun goes down. With the right lighting, your backyard can become an extension of your home, providing comfort, style, and security in the evening hours. Enhances aesthetic appeal. One of the primary benefits of outdoor lighting is its ability to enhance the overall aesthetics of your backyard. With strategically placed lights, you can highlight key features such as garden paths, trees, flowers, fountains, or architectural elements like pergolas and outdoor structures. By casting gentle light on these elements, outdoor lighting creates a beautiful and enchanting atmosphere. In Flower Mound, where homeowners take pride in their outdoor living spaces, incorporating lighting can truly elevate your backyard's design. You can experiment with different lighting styles, such as soft ambient lighting for a romantic vibe or vibrant accent lighting for a more modern, dynamic feel. No matter your style, the right outdoor lighting will make your backyard shine, even after dark. Creates a welcoming environment. Whether you're hosting a summer barbecue, a dinner party, or simply relaxing with family and friends, outdoor lighting plays a key role in creating a warm and inviting environment. Well-placed lights around your patio, deck, or garden area can instantly create a cozy, comfortable atmosphere that encourages people to spend more time outdoors. For evening gatherings, you can use soft, warm lighting to create a relaxed ambiance, while brighter lights can help with visibility during activities like cooking or playing games. String lights, lanterns, or LED spotlights can add a fun, festive touch, while lantern-style fixtures along pathways create a welcoming entrance. In Flower Mound, where people love spending time outdoors, these lighting options can transform your backyard into a social hub that's perfect for entertaining. Increases safety and security. The outdoor lighting isn't just about looks, it also enhances the safety and security of your backyard. When strategically installed along walkways, stairs, and entry points, outdoor lighting provides clear visibility, reducing the risk of trips and falls. This is particularly important if you entertain guests or have children running around the yard in the evenings. Moreover, well-lit outdoor spaces can deter potential intruders. Criminals are less likely to target homes with bright, well-lit exteriors, as the increased visibility makes it easier for neighbors or passers-by to spot suspicious activity. Motion sensor lights and strategically placed security lights around your property can provide additional peace of mind, knowing that your home is safer during the night. Extends the use of your outdoor space. With the right outdoor lighting, you can extend the usability of your backyard well into the evening. Imagine enjoying a late-night dinner on your deck or lounging under the stars while still having enough light to read, play games, or enjoy your favorite hobbies. By installing lights around seating areas, tables, and other outdoor amenities, you can create a space that's functional and inviting at all hours. Garden lighting, path lighting, and overhead lights can ensure that every corner of your outdoor space is usable, making your backyard feel like an outdoor room that you can enjoy long after the sun sets. Highlights landscaping features in Flower Mound, where homes often feature well-maintained landscapes. Outdoor lighting can play a crucial role in highlighting and accentuating your landscaping features. Whether you have a beautiful garden, a water feature, or a mature tree that you want to showcase, the right lighting can make these elements stand out even in the dark. For example, uplights can cast dramatic shadows on tall trees, while downlights can illuminate garden beds, making flowers and plants pop at night. Landscape lighting can also create a sense of depth, making your backyard appear larger and more dynamic. By focusing attention on your landscaping, outdoor lighting can make your yard look just as beautiful at night as it does during the day. Adds value to your home. Outdoor lighting is a simple yet effective way to increase the value of your property. A beautifully lit backyard not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your home but also adds functionality and safety, two factors that potential buyers will appreciate. When you invest in high-quality, professional outdoor lighting installation, you are adding an attractive feature that improves your home's curb appeal and overall desirability. In Flower Mound, where outdoor living is such an integral part of the lifestyle, a well-lit backyard can be a selling point if you ever decide to put your home on the market. Buyers are increasingly looking for homes with outdoor spaces that can be enjoyed year-round, and outdoor lighting makes that possible by enhancing your home's usability and appeal after dark. Energy efficiency with LED lighting. One of the most common concerns about installing outdoor lighting is the impact it might have on your energy bill. Fortunately, with the advent of energy-efficient LED lighting, you can achieve stunning lighting effects without worrying about high electricity costs. LED lights use significantly less power compared to traditional incandescent bulbs, making them an eco-friendly and cost-effective option. LED lights also last longer, requiring fewer replacements and contributing to a lower overall maintenance cost. With a range of color temperatures and brightness levels, LED outdoor lighting can suit any style while reducing your environmental footprint. Conclusion. Flower Mound Outdoor Lighting is an investment that can truly transform your backyard into a nighttime paradise. Whether you want to enhance the beauty of your outdoor space, improve safety and security, or create a welcoming environment for guests, outdoor lighting offers a wide range of benefits. With the right design, you can extend the use of your backyard long into the evening, adding both functional and aesthetic value to your home. By working with a professional outdoor lighting expert, you can ensure that your lighting system is tailored to your needs and is installed with care and precision. Whether you're looking for a soft, romantic glow or bright, functional lighting for entertaining, Flower Mound Outdoor Lighting can help you create the perfect ambiance for any occasion.